how to wire inclination sensor Pepperl+Fuchs and how to connect it to your Pepperl S7-1200. Hello guys, my name is Ehsan and I want to show you how you can use this kind of sensor. This sensor, it will let you know what kind of movement we have a line of X or Y. Okay, so let's check out the manual or data sheet and then I will explain how you can wire off that. Okay, so this is a Pepperl+Fuchs website. As you can see, we have inclination sensor I and Y 360D. As you can see, you can download the data sheet of that from here. So let's check out the data sheet. Okay, so what kind of data is important for me? As you can see, we have an operation indicator. It's LED green, so we have it, and we have a teach indicator. What does it mean? We have two kind of button here that we can teach this kind of sensor, that from what kind of point to another point this switch turn on or off. So we have kind of 4 output from this device. 2 of them is kind of contact, 0 or 1, and another one that they are 2, they are analog output. So we have 2 kind of switching states, and as you can see, we have 2 current output 4 to 2 milliampere, and it's a good news because it's 4. When it's off, it's give me 4 milliampere. So when it goes to zeros, it means that it's your wire is break. Okay, so let's check out this kind of factory setting. As you can see, we have to use a scale in your Pepperl, Normix and scale is in a 7-1200. So this part, analog output X, is minus 45 to 45, and the Y is minus 45 to 45. And those kind of switching, this is the those kind of area that you can set how this switch, those kind of switch turn on. Okay, so let's go and explain for you how you can wire that. Before I go to on PLC, let's show you how you can wire this device. Okay, we have that kind of picture here. As you can see, we have brown and we have blue. So it says brown goes to plus your power supply, that's it, simple, and blue it goes to minus power supply, that's it, this is about power supply. We have 2 kind of switching. Okay, it's a contact. So the white one is goes to I0.0 for example, and the another one is goes to black white. It goes to I0 for example .1. Okay, that's it. And we have analog. This is our first analog output and it's pink, so I draw a blue line. It goes to AI0, okay, analog input 0, the first channel. So this is the positive of that. What about the negative one? The negative on manual, it says it comes from gray. Okay, so the gray one, it's for the minus. We have another one, output analog, and it's purple, I think, that I show it with red one. Okay, it goes to AI1, the plus one, and the minus, it comes from blue, that is comes from gray. In this particular, there is a separation, there is isolation between the blue and the gray. It's not for all of sensors. We have kind of sensors that these 2 terminal are kind of common terminal. Okay, let's jump into PLC.